What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Nissan Pathfinder remote key fob. This Nissan Pathfinder key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob with my thumbs on, and the key will pull out like that. And we can just set that key to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we take a look at the bottom of the key fob, what I'm going to do is come right here in between this black and silver piece, and you can do this on either side, it won't make a difference. But take your screwdriver and I'm going to insert it in this little space right here between this silver and black part of the plastic. Get it in there and then just gently kind of pry that apart. You can see it's opening the case, and then once it's started, you can pull it the rest of the way apart with your hands like that. And in the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. I'll use my screwdriver to get under the edge of the battery and get it out of that holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, the positive side down. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first down here near this metal clip. So tuck this edge in first, like that, and then snap it down into place. And then we can snap the two halves back together. And if your circuit board has moved around at all out of place, make sure that's sitting back in there where it needs to be, in that clear rubber piece. And then we can snap the two halves back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.